Hello Aquarius, good morning, and today is May 30, 2026, and andito na naman tayo para basahin sa inyo ang inyong mga kapalaran. So, ang Aquarius today brings a calm but powerful energy for you. May chance na may magandang balita kang marinig tungkol sa pera, work o personal goal na matagal mong hinihintay. Trust your instinct today. Malakas ang intuition mo ngayon. At para naman sa love, if single ka, someone may show unexpected interest in you. Huwag masyadong mag-overthink. If in a relationship naman, magandang araw ito para magkaayos at mag-open up ng feelings. Para sa pera at trabaho naman, may opportunity na pwedeng dumating through online work, message o recommendation from another person. Be careful lang sa impulsive spending today. Para naman sa mga lucky signs, lucky color, sky blue, lucky numbers 7, 14, 22, lucky time 4 to 6 p.m., lucky direction silangan. At ang mensahe naman today is, your quiet patience is about to bring visible blessings. Maganda rin today para sa manifestation, journaling, at pagplano ng future goals mo. Keep your energy positive dahil may attraction ka ngayon sa good opportunities. At yun lang para sa araw na ito, Aquarians. Until the next vlog, see you and be positive always. Be safe.